Chuando Tan, the 57-year-old sensation who defies time and still looks 20.
They are giving me this mascot of Forever Young, literally. It's like I am the Dorian Gray in real life, but it's a title that no one can keep, right?
Actor Chuando Tan is often regarded as a youthful heartthrob in the Singaporean showbiz scene. The 58-year-old actor first gained widespread attention in 2017 and continues to create a buzz even now. Despite being in his late 50s, Tan looks significantly younger than his actual age, with many people noting that he appears as if he were much younger. He is frequently described as looking decades younger than his real age. In an interview with Singaporean media, Tan revealed that he maintains his youthful appearance thanks to a very scientific and health-conscious diet. He always avoids processed foods and emphasizes the importance of a healthy lifestyle and a positive, joyful attitude.
I don't think I'm handsome enough to cause a sensation, honestly. I believe people are interested in me because I'm in my late 50s. Perhaps watching me gives them hope for staying youthful with some sort of secret or method.
Chuando's story is a powerful reminder that age is just a number, and with the right care and habits, anyone can maintain a youthful vigor well into their later years. Join us as we uncover Chuando Tan's secrets to ageless beauty and vitality. Chuando Tan's fitness journey is nothing short of impressive. It began in his early 20s and has continued with unwavering dedication. His commitment to the gym is evident in his regular workout schedule. On a good week, Chuando can be found hitting the gym up to 5 times, with each session lasting up to an hour and a half. Weightlifting forms a crucial cornerstone of Chuando Tan's fitness regimen, and it's no exaggeration to say that it's a fundamental element in his quest to maintain a youthful physique. Chuando's dedication to lifting weights is not just about building muscle, it's about preserving strength and overall vitality, which are key components in defying the effects of aging. His workouts are meticulously designed to target various muscle groups, ensuring a well-rounded approach to strength training. Chuando's weightlifting routine includes an array of exercises that are essential for muscle development and maintenance. Among his favorites are bench presses, deadlifts, and squats. Bench presses are great for enhancing upper body strength, focusing on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Deadlifts, on the other hand, are a comprehensive exercise that engages multiple muscle groups including the back, hamstrings, and core. Squats are particularly effective for building leg strength and improving overall body stability. What sets Chuando apart is not just the exercises he performs but the intensity and consistency with which he approaches his workouts. On a good week, he may hit the gym up to 5 times, dedicating up to an hour and a half per session. This level of commitment ensures that his muscles are continuously challenged, promoting growth and endurance. Chuando often shares these intense workouts on his social media platforms, allowing his followers to gain insight into his rigorous training regimen. His posts not only showcase his impressive physical form but also serve as inspiration for those looking to enhance their own fitness routines. Cardiovascular health is another critical element of Chuando's fitness routine, and he places significant emphasis on incorporating activities like running and swimming into his weekly schedule. Both of these exercises are instrumental in maintaining a healthy heart and enhancing overall stamina. Running, a classic cardiovascular exercise, offers numerous benefits beyond just improving heart health. It helps boost endurance, increase lung capacity, and enhance overall cardiovascular fitness. Chuando's running sessions are often varied, including intervals of high intensity to maximize the benefits. This form of exercise also aids in weight management and provides a mental boost, contributing to a sense of well-being. Swimming, on the other hand, provides a low-impact, full-body workout that complements Chuando's running routine. The buoyancy of water reduces the strain on joints and muscles, making it an excellent option for improving cardiovascular health while minimizing the risk of injury. Swimming engages the entire body, from the core to the limbs, promoting flexibility, strength, and endurance. It also enhances lung capacity and provides a refreshing change from the high-impact nature of running. By integrating both running and swimming into his routine, Chuando ensures a balanced approach to cardiovascular fitness. These activities not only support his heart health but also contribute to his overall vitality and youthful appearance. To achieve a well-rounded fitness routine, Chuando occasionally incorporates yoga and stretching exercises into his regimen. While weightlifting and cardio are crucial for building strength and endurance, yoga and stretching play a vital role in maintaining flexibility, balance, and mental well-being. Yoga offers numerous benefits that extend beyond physical fitness. It helps improve flexibility, allowing Chuando to maintain a wide range of motion and reduce the risk of injuries. Additionally, yoga promotes balance and coordination, which are essential for overall physical health. The mental aspects of yoga, including mindfulness and relaxation techniques, contribute to a positive mindset and stress management. This holistic approach supports Chuando's overall well-being and complements his physical fitness efforts. Stretching exercises are equally important for muscle recovery and injury prevention. Regular stretching helps enhance blood flow to the muscles, reducing stiffness and promoting quicker recovery after intense workouts. By incorporating stretching into his routine, Chuando ensures that his muscles remain supple and resilient, further supporting his ability to stay active and youthful. Together, yoga and stretching provide a comprehensive approach to fitness that supports both physical and mental health. Chuando's inclusion of these practices in his routine reflects his commitment to maintaining a balanced and holistic approach to well-being. While fitness is a crucial factor in Chuando's youthful appearance, his skincare regimen is equally important in maintaining a radiant and youthful complexion. Chuando's approach to skincare is straightforward yet effective, focusing on daily routines and sun protection. Chuando's daily skincare routine is centered around simplicity and efficacy. He uses a gel face wash to cleanse his skin, removing impurities and excess oil that can contribute to acne and dullness. The gel face wash is formulated to purify the skin without stripping away essential moisture, ensuring a clear and fresh complexion. Following the cleansing step, Chuando applies a moisturizing cream to keep his skin hydrated and supple. Moisturization is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing dryness, which can lead to premature aging. The moisturizing cream helps lock in moisture, providing a smooth and youthful appearance. Chuando's consistent use of these skincare products supports overall skin health and contributes to his ageless look. By maintaining a regular cleansing and moisturizing routine, he ensures that his skin remains healthy and vibrant. Living in the sunny climate of Singapore, Chuando recognizes the importance of sun protection in his skincare regimen. Exposure to harmful UV rays can accelerate the aging process, leading to wrinkles, sunspots, and other skin issues. To safeguard his skin from UV damage, Chuando uses sunscreen daily. Sunscreen acts as a protective barrier against UV radiation, helping to prevent premature aging and maintain youthful skin. Chuando's commitment to daily sun protection is a key factor in preserving his skin's youthful appearance and preventing long-term damage. In addition to skincare products and sun protection, Chuando understands the impact of lifestyle factors on skin health. He avoids late nights and prioritizes adequate sleep, recognizing that lack of rest can negatively affect the skin. Quality sleep is essential for skin repair and regeneration, and Chuando's commitment to restful nights supports his goal of maintaining a youthful complexion. Chuando's diet plays a significant role in his quest to stay youthful. His approach to nutrition is focused on incorporating foods that support overall health and contribute to a youthful appearance. Here are 5 foods that Chuando swears by. Eggs are a staple in Chuando's diet, providing an excellent source of protein and essential nutrients. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, and eggs offer a high-quality protein source that supports Chuando's muscle health. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall well-being, making them a vital component of his diet. Oats are another important element of Chuando's diet. They are rich in fiber, which provides sustained energy throughout the day and supports digestive health. The fiber in oats helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes a healthy gut, contributing to Chuando's overall vitality and wellness. Chuando incorporates lean meat into his meals, particularly for lunch and dinner. Lean meat is a valuable source of protein and essential nutrients necessary for muscle maintenance and overall health. By choosing lean options, Chuando ensures he receives the benefits of meat without excessive unhealthy fats, supporting his goal of maintaining a youthful appearance. Nuts and berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats. Chuando includes these nutrient-dense foods in his diet to support skin health and overall vitality. Nuts provide essential fatty acids that help maintain healthy skin, while berries are rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals and promote a youthful complexion. Durian is a vibrant fruit that Chuando enjoys for its unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Durian is a source of vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health, supporting Chuando's efforts to maintain a youthful appearance. Its rich nutrient profile complements his diet and enhances his overall well-being. Chuando is also mindful of the foods he avoids to maintain his health and youthful appearance. Here are 4 types of food he steers clear of. Chuando avoids foods high in refined sugars, recognizing that excessive sugar intake can negatively impact overall health and skin quality. High sugar consumption is linked to various health issues, including premature aging and skin problems. By steering clear of sugary treats, Chuando supports his goal of maintaining a youthful appearance and overall well-being. Heavily processed foods, often high in unhealthy fats and additives, are another category Chuando avoids. These foods can contribute to poor health and negatively affect skin appearance. By avoiding processed foods, Chuando ensures that his diet supports his overall health and youthful look. Chuando stays away from foods fried in unhealthy oils as they are often high in trans fats. Fried foods can have detrimental effects on overall health and skin quality. By avoiding these foods, Chuando supports his goal of maintaining a youthful appearance and overall vitality. Chuando limits his intake of dishes high in MSG, recognizing its potential negative effects on health. MSG is a flavor enhancer that can contribute to various health issues, and Chuando prefers to avoid it in his diet. By steering clear of MSG-heavy dishes, Chuando supports his overall health and youthful appearance. Chuando Tan's dedication to fitness, skincare, and diet serves as a powerful example of how commitment to health can significantly impact one's appearance and well-being. Through a balanced approach that includes weightlifting, cardiovascular exercise, yoga, a diligent skincare routine, and a carefully chosen diet, Chuando maintains a youthful look that inspires many. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about health and wellness, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. See you in the next video.